amazing features within XploriLab's data logger module is the ability to combine different graphs together onto the same graph. Now, these can be experiments collected with the same Explorers device or with different ones. But it's important that they all be set up with a single sensor and the same sample rate. So once you have your experiment set up in the same manner, click Apply, and then run your experiment. In this one, I'm simply moving the Explorers device closer to the ground, and then I will repeat this experiment where I move it farther away from the ground over my 10-second interval. And then the last one I want to do is moving both up and down within my 10 seconds. Once you've collected your various experimental data, you'll need to make sure they are all saved to your local device. So from the Pancakes menu, click Save and name your experiment accordingly. To open a previous experiment, click on the File or Pancakes menu and then Download from Explorers. This will allow you to download any previously saved experiments from your Explorers device so that you can save them to your local computer. Repeat this process for all of the experiments you would like to combine. Once you've done so and you have at least one of the experiments open on your screen, go back into that Pancakes menu and click Add. From there, select one of the other graphs you would like to combine with your current one. When you click Open, it will be added onto the same graph as you see here. Repeat this for as many experiments as you would like to combine onto the same graph. Now, when they are added, they all come in with the same color, so you can go into Graph Settings and adjust the colors using the buttons here with the various colors on them. One thing to be aware of is that the graphs may not all come in with the same y-axis values. If you need to adjust the y-axis values or see them for the different graphs, you can simply click on where it says the name of the sensor and adjust the minimum and maximums here. To change which sensor is the selected sensor, go back into Graph Settings and simply click on one of the other ones. Then you can compare what your y-axis is and adjust if necessary. Another final tip for combining graphs is using the annotation tool to label which graph is which. An annotation will only be added to the selected graph, so you'll have to go through and select each of the graphs in turn to add annotations for each of them. But there you are. Those are the basic tips and tricks for combining graphs together so that you can see multiple experiments on a single graph in XploriLab.